Hi Adventure Team, Scott Sheehan here. I'm on the Hawaiian island of Oahu, about to show you the Manoa Falls Trail. I'm going to show you why it's a popular and beautiful destination for people who are visiting Honolulu to come to, and its ties to Hollywood. Come on, let's go. Hawaii is the only state in the United States that has a tropical rainforest. That, and it's not really on the North American continent, creates beautiful landscapes you don't normally see in the rest of the United States. Now also, since this is a tropical rainforest, keep in mind, be prepared for the extra wetness and the mud on this trip. Does any of the landscape around here look familiar? Well, it should, especially if you're a fan of Lost or the Jurassic Park movies, because scenes from both were filmed right here along the trail. That was our adventure over at Manoa Falls here on Oahu. Hopefully you guys had fun. Remember to like, share, and subscribe down below. Until next time, guys.